Hey guys, Rick for Sonance here, back with another video. In this video, we'll be making a hexagon style drop. So the final result sounds like this. So if you want this FFP right away, make sure to check Future Bounce Volume 2. The FFP is in there. Besides that, you will get 40 presets in the style of Future Bounce. So if you're interested in that, make sure to check it down below. So first, let's start with the melody. So it sounds like this. So when I made this melody, I start with the bottom chords. So they sound like this. So the track is in A sharp minor, so it goes from the 5th to the 1st to the 2nd and it ends on the 3rd. Then I wrote the top melody on the melody on top of it. That sounds like this. So together it sounds like this. So now let's use this melody to make the drop. So we copy the melody over to the top bass. Sounds like this. We use the master style sub preset for it. You can find the preset in Future Bounce Volume 2. And we processed it. So we basically put a high cut on it. Without it sounds like this. So too many highs. And we distort it a little bit. So that's it for the sub. Then we added a bass layer. That sounds like this. So that's the preset. It's a no good bass. And then we did some processing on it. Or basically EQ, just a low cut, too much room for the sub bass. Together they sound like this. So that's it for the low end. Now let's dive into the leads. So we got two layers. This is the first one. And this is the second one. So the first one is to fill up the mids. So this is the preset. It's a no good lead. And it just got some reverb and some low cut on it. But the synth is lacking some highs. So we added this layer, which is really present in highs. We processed it on the same channel, so we got a low cut and a reverb. With the bass line it sounds like this. So there we already had a full drop, and the last thing we added is the step. It sounds like this. So basically the first chord of the drop. So this is the preset, just a simple supersaw. We only give the reverb. So together it sounds like this. So the only thing we're missing right now are the drums. First we got this kick. Then we add a clap. So there's no processing on the kick. And no processing on the clap as well. And then after 8 bars, we added a drum loop. Just like this, a really simple drum loop. No processing on it as well. And together with all the leads, it sounds like this. So that's basically how you make a hexagon style drop with just a few elements. So if you like the video, please leave a like. If you want to see more, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next videos.